nakuba i-BMA ikwazile ukujikisa abantu abalinganiselwe emakhulwini ayisithupha emngceleni engena kuleli kuze kube manje, kepha abaqaphi eBeitbridge bathi uma abazama ukungena ngokungemthetho kuleli bejikiswa bayakwazi ukubuya bangene ngenxa yothango kulomngcele olungekho esimweni esifanele.
We profile the individuals that giving us problems at the border, the port itself. Then we open cases for them so that they can go trial and then be charged as such. But the main point that you just mentioned of the fence really is a disadvantaging factor or a demoralizing factor for all of us as law enforcement. We are trying our level best to do as much as we can so that at least we are managing the space at all times.
Abaqaphi kulomngcele banxenxa uhulumeni ukuba ungenelele ukuze kulungiswe indaba yalolu thango olwenza umsebenzi wabo ube yize.
The BMA, our HQ, is trying by all means to engage all the stakeholders, public works and so on. But at this stage, we have various visits by the parliamentarians, we have various visits by government entities, but we don't see changes. We are appealing to the government that at least we must see changes on the ground.
Bathi izwe laseZimbabwe alifuni ukusebenzisana neNingizimu Afrika ukuze izakhamuzi zalo zingangeni kuleli ngokungemthetho.
There's no cooperation from the other side of the river, meaning Zimbabwe, they don't give full cooperation. Because if you can see on the ground, all these things are happening on the Zimbabwe side. Even the boats are staged on the Zimbabwe side. And on the edge of the river itself, of the bank of the river, we see the officials or law enforcement officials from Zimbabwe side who are also seeing this in front of them. So that is a major problem that we are facing. But the only thing that we need to do is to make sure that our side, we make sure that we protect our side of the country.
I-BMA ithi okwamanje izoqhubeka nokusebenzisa bonke ubuchwepheshe enabo ukuze ivimbele abazama ukusebenzisa lolu thango njengoba umkhankaso wokuqapha emngceleni usaqhubeka.